What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. What's going on? This one is not filling up. So they say this drain is clogged. So the water that we had going there is draining over there. It's hard to see, but it's not coming from the front drain. So the sink that we're filling now, the big one, the big soaker sink, is over here. So we're gonna check that clean out cap because we assume there's just gonna be a lot of debris in there. So I'm going to use my pliers to take that cap off. Alright, cap's off. So now I got to see there's anything up inside. So this is completely full. That was it. Nice and easy. You can see the water still running. So you can see it's going down. Lots of volume coming out there. Such a simple little job. So much grease and oil from all of this. Look, chicken wing. Just going down the drains. And you guys can see they have no covers, right? So this is what I look like for this job. I want to thank you guys for watching. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Till next time, Saragna.